everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in England. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. I'm so grateful to my old subscribers. I love you so much for all the support you're giving to me. So today I'll be showing you how I made this coconut rice, a very simple and easy coconut rice that is not complicated. So to my pre-boiled or pre-cooked rice, I added coconut milk. The milk already solidified. Then I added some water and I stirred. Apparently with the heat, the milk is going to be dissolved. So I added some seasoning, some sea salt. I added some chopped onions. Chopped some bell pepper. I added cod fish fillet. Some prawns. Then I added some pepper and I give it a mix. So this is a seafood coconut rice. It's not every day we'll be eating meat. If you don't know, eating too much of meat is very dangerous. Red meat especially predisposes us to cancer. Now I'm adding bay leaves, thyme, I added some curry. I actually added Lion King curry. I love the color. So I added half a tablespoon of sunflower oil before covering. Remember, olive oil and sunflower oils are the best and healthiest oil to use. I'm going to cover for some minutes. Now I'm adding the carrots. Now I will be adding my fresh peas and my spring onions. And I'm going to combine together. You need to see this food. You just have to see how colorful it is. I love the green part of it. I don't know why I love greens in my food. I don't know why I love green vegetables in my food. And the aroma is so inviting. So in this pot, no meat protein, seafood protein, cod fish and king prawns. and I'm going to cover for about 2 minutes, and that's it. It's ready, all ready to be served. Now I'm going to remove my bay leaves. So that is the end of this video. I'm ready to eat now. If you enjoyed this recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button to let me know I did a good job. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.